So we've arrived at Mai Khao Beach and checked into the Phuket Airport Hotel for a night. $45 a night this one. Just waiting for a grab to arrive. It's taking a bit of time. And then he'll take us to the Mai Khao Airport viewing platform. Mai Khao Beach. Little stall set up there. And heaps of tuk-tuks back to the road. Let's hope we can see some planes come in low overhead. Here comes the plane now. Phuket International Airport. And people come and go and have a look at all the planes coming in. Mango smoothie. Yummy. How much? 60. So we're sitting out the back of some Thai lady's house, having pad Thai with crispy pork, 80 baht. The cheapest Thai iced tea, 30 baht. And after that we'll listen to some tunes on that high-tech sound system, I think. This is where we had a late lunch. Right next to where we're staying.